Okay, sorry guys, we kind of got cut off, but I think I caught it in time. So the only thing you missed me doing was distributing this 2/3 to both things. It kind of told you how I just think of it as fractions, multiply, cross simplify. You could certainly use a calculator at that point. And then your equation reads y equals 2/3 x plus 22. Okay, so then to check that point, you are going to put 27 and 42 in from up here. So 42 goes in for y. 27 is going to go in for x. Okay. Again, I think of cross simplifying this. So 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 27 9 times. And what this turns into 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, this turns out to be 42 equals 40. Is that true? No. So is that point on the line? It is not. Okay, so let's practice this again. We are just going to get the equation of the line. So it says write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line containing these points. So the first thing is to find the slope. So I like to go x1, y1, x2, y2. So my m equals -3 minus 3 over 1 minus -2. So -3 minus 3, adding a negative gives me a -6. This turns into 3, so this gives me a -2. Okay, there's your slope. Now, you can use point slope form or slope intercept form. It doesn't matter. I'm going to use point slope form just because we have been. Y minus y1, which is 3, equals, my slope is -2 times x minus, and then it's a -2, so this turns out to be +2. So all is the opposite. Distribute. This turns -2x minus 4. And then you're going to add the 3 to both sides. Y equals -2x. And then this is -1. Now I think the reason I like to use point slope form is just because when I end it, I get my equation. Using the slope-intercept form, you find the slope, then you find the y-intercept, and you plug them both into the equation. Whichever one makes more sense to you guys, that's the one I want you to use. So this y equals -2x minus 1. If I were to graph that, I would start at -1 down to over 1. I think we can tell right away that these are both on our line. That's kind of checking it. Okay, so let's do a few together. Let's write the slope-intercept form. Don't solve them graphically. Let's do it just like I just did. So our slope, x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals 2 minus 0 over 4 minus -4. 2 minus 0 is 2. Remember, 4 minus a -4 turns to addition, so that gives us 8. 2/8 equals 1/4. Okay. Then my equation, y minus y1, which was 0 in this case, if I use my first point, 1/4 times x plus 4. It's the opposite. So this y minus 0 just goes away. So this case, I'm just distributing this. 1/4 of 4 is just 1. So I'm going to start at +1, up 1 over 4.